Alright, what's up guys? Today I've got a 12-pound bowling ball down there. I got a half a pound of Tannerite and a half a pound of Tennessee exploding targets, which is about half the cost of Tannerite. So I'm going to launch the bowling ball, one with Tannerite, one with the other, and we'll see which one goes higher or if they're about the same. So let's get started. Alright, here we go guys. I got a half a pound of the Tennessee exploding targets in there now, so let's see how it does compared to the Tannerite. Alright guys, there you go. It looked like it launched it just about as high as the Tannerite, so really close. Didn't look like there was a whole lot of difference. I'll have to go back and check the video, but to me it looks like it's close enough. The stuff I'm using is from TennesseeExplodingTargets.com. They're not giving me anything for this video. They're not a sponsor, nothing like that. I'm getting nothing out of it. I'm just passing along the information to you guys so you can find a better deal on exploding targets than, you know, Tannerite, which is, like I said, about twice the price as this stuff. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.
I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan.
Did it survive? Oh yeah, it survived. There's no case on this camera, but it survived.